I'm ready.
I think I actually ran a long.
Today we're installing the air conditioning system in the flip house. We're doing the full rough end, so all the duct work's going in. They already got, looks like all the boxes already hung, and then the air handler in the attic's gonna get put in place, and the copper's gonna get ran down the wall and stubbed outside. So after we get the sheetrock put on, all we gotta do is come back in, put all the grills up, and set the condenser. And that's what we're doing today.
Can you hand me that sawzall right down here that's hid around this corner?
Whoa. Years for it to get back to where it was.
Right.
Jordan's got a bunch of live oaks. I mean, he's been having all kind of issues with them, man. It sucks, but it's, oh, it's like too close to a building or something?
Yeah, gotta catch the last room and this other.
Okay. Well, I can start in the front and start to set the unit at right here. You see, we have a drain stack right next to it, so we can just plug the drain into this. So we got 36 inches. That's gonna be what I'm gonna start with. That'll probably do all of our 7s and 9s. Joe, you got long screws?
I think I actually ran a long screw in the middle at the top while it was mounted.
Okay, I got you. I'm ready.
How'd you know?
A big old snake. And this is gonna go over there. Yeah, Dylan, I'm glad we don't have your camera over here. I already knocked the GoPro over. All right, go grab me one more, por favor. That rhymed. Now, yeah, this roof is not as high as Susan's. Keep hitting my head. Sweet. I got a drill, I got screws. Joe, you got an extra flip bit?
Yeah.
Will you hook Caden up with one of those? Yeah, get that from Joe and your drill and then come meet me up here. Luckily for you, but unluckily for me, it's a pretty low roof, so you got plenty of stuff to grab onto. But for me, I got plenty of stuff to hit my head on. Yeah. I think what I'm gonna get you to do, Caden, is start strapping all this stuff up. I'm gonna attach the ends of it. And I'll get you to start strapping it. Supplies and returns.
Supply and demand.
Some fries for demand.
Surprise for the man.
Zip tie, and I got a special tool that gets it nice and tight. There we go, making connections. It's the end of the day. Super sweaty, I'm soaked. It's kind of hard to film up here because it's a little dark and cramped and we're working in all kind of weird spaces. That being said, we got this ductwork ran over here, got our drops over here, those two going into a 9 back to the unit. We got this 7 and another 7 over here for the living room, going into a 10-7-7 split for these 2 living room outlets. And then this 10 goes back to the unit. There's our 2 10s that still need to be hooked in. We didn't have the taps for those today. We got this 7 dedicated for the living room. Those are tapped into the unit. We got another 7 up top. So we got most of our terminations done. We just have these 3 9s, 2 on the front, 1 on the back. The guys are gonna handle up on tomorrow. But that's pretty much it. Everything's strapped up. No sagging, nice even turns and curves everywhere. We got the return here, just going there. Gonna run, I think, an 18-inch flex up and into here. Then all the duct work will be done. They got the copper strapped up nice and high. Runs outside, units set in place, pan. Our drain is gonna end up going right there. Feels nice being downstairs. Feels like air conditioning almost. You can kind of see what we got done today from down here. Duct work ran up there. A bunch of ductwork here, and there's the unit placed up in there. But yeah, we're hot, we're ready to go home, so that's it for today.